Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your phone is ready. First, confirm a fingerprint is enrolled in system settings. Without that, you can't enable lock. Once done, update WhatsApp so you have the latest security features. Now open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Privacy, and select Fingerprint Lock. This starts the app-level protection. Follow the prompts to confirm your fingerprint. This binds the app lock to the device biometrics, so you control when WhatsApp unlocks. Next, configure how strictly you want the lock enforced. In the fingerprint lock menu, choose an auto lock interval. Pick immediately for maximum privacy, or 1 minute or 30 minutes for convenience. Make sure to adjust notification display settings so message previews are hidden if you need stealth. Then test the flow. Manually lock WhatsApp or wait the interval, reopen, and verify you're prompted for your fingerprint. This confirms the lock is active and behaving as you expect. To keep the fingerprint lock reliable, manage fingerprints on your phone. Enroll at least one backup print because wear or moisture can cause sensor errors. If an update or glitch disables the lock, restart your phone first. If that fails, reinstall WhatsApp and re-enable the lock, making sure to restore settings from your account backup if needed. Finally, avoid clearing app data as that can remove settings. Instead, rely on the built-in backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.